Yeah, that's what I'm familiar with.
Sorry?
Just so you know, we prepped it for prescribed fire, so most snags are already scraped around. Unfortunately, that makes it a little cheesy for you all to have to deal with it.
You're cheating, man. You're cheating.
I know. Give them the easy way.
That's all right, though. It's getting into a little bit of some,
Right,
you know, 10-hour feels here.
Now, Ava, where are you going to plug in first? Okay, are you going to be the first, or are you going to be behind the brakes?
All right, if you want, I can follow you.
Okay?
I'll follow you. Just knock it down as you go.
There you go. There you go.
Half in the black, half in the green. There you go. Good.
Keep going.
Charlie, right here. There you go.
Don't be afraid to ask for help if you feel like where you're at, you need water source or whatever.
Alright, we got this put down up and we dig it. So we'll keep it up to here. So just for the fire.
Ava, while you deal with that, we'll tell Chris on this side. Start knocking it down for her. It's going to be way more effective if she can get in there.
There you go. There you go. So here we have a little bit of a warm spot that we'll see. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yep.
Decided to make it hard to put in the like heavy leaf litter.
Let's put a little bit of water on this cat face right here. Yep, you got that spare cat face. I would like to keep it cool. I'm going to break it apart a bit. Our head
As far
fire
as
is still
ecological
going.
things, you can let that stuff go.
So Charlie, what else could you do there? Could you maybe scratch a line out and around and let this kind of?
So do it that way.
Yeah.
Let's go and get some water on this fire over here.
All right, you're still gonna want to construct that fire line right here. Work your way around.
If I had you a little smoother, I'd be in good shape.
There you go. There you go.
Now remember, see how he's dealing with a lot of fuel over here? That's okay. But remember when you pile it up, now it's that much taller for wind to kind of catch it and move it across there.
Wet underneath, you can see.
Yep. Yeah, and then you're gonna want to pull right over here, right on the edge of the black, and pull it in. There you go. There you go. Yep.
This pile here, let's just keep breaking it apart.
I'd be fine letting it just burn.
So, Charlie, right here. Yep, there you go. There you go. Any smoldering black needs to be inside the line.
We still have really hot fuel over here. So this is secured but not contained yet, right? We've secured it. It's not moving away from us. Containment is like it's done.
Not expected to get out.
That's fine. So I just want to kind of make that distinction right now that like if we call it out now, a burn buff, we're like, okay, we're good to go. And they might keep on doing